Welcome back to my channel Drinking Maths. In this video, we are going to find the value of a where a plus a over square root of 9 equals second root of 9. To start the solution, I'm going to work on this numerator. A plus a is same as 1, 2, 3. So it can be written in the form of 3a over. Here we have second root of 9 equals right side second root of 9. Second root of 9 can be written in the form of second root of 9 over 1. So now I'm going to use cross product, which means this one times this, it is going to be 1 times 3a left side, right side, this second root of 9 times this second root of 9. So what do we have? Left side 1 times 3a is 3a. Right side second root of 9 times second root of 9 can be written in the form of second root of 9 to the power of 2. Next, left side 3a. What is right side? These two as exponent, this square root can be cancelled off, so 3a is 9. Now to find the value of a, we need to isolate this a. So both sides divided by 3. This 3 can be cancelled off, so the value of a is going to be 9 over 3 or 3.